Server's clients, HTTP server. On this tab, you can see controls to enable and configure built-in Streamer.Bot HTTP server and a list of all incoming requests. Using this, you can send commands to Streamer.Bot to trigger actions or retrieve data. In the controls section, you have after start sets whether the server should automatically start after Streamer.Bot is launched. Address, the IP address of the machine running Streamer.Bot. If you are connecting from a client on the same machine, use localhost. If you are connecting from a different machine, use the corresponding network interface address. Beware! Due to Windows security restrictions, if you want to open the server to the network, you must explicitly allow the use of a specific network interface address using netsh command. For more details, refer to the official Microsoft documentation. Port specifies the port number you want the server to listen on. The buttons for starting and stopping the server. In the requests section, you can see a log of requests. Each log entry consists of 5 parts. Timestamp, the date and time of the request. HTTP response status code indicates the result of the request. HTTP request method, the method used for the request. For a full list of possible status codes and methods, refer to the HTTP Wikipedia article. Endpoint shows which server endpoint was requested. A full list of available endpoints can be found in the Streamer.Bot documentation.